Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can see your Google Play Store download history. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your account is signed in. After that, all of the recommended apps will be displayed on your screen. You just need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then, select Apps and Games from the pop-up window that appears. Now, tap on the Installed feature at the top and choose the Not Installed option. This will show all of the apps you have installed before but are currently not installed on your device. So that's basically how you can see your Google Play Store download history. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.